In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram Reels not playing problem. For fixing this problem, go to settings on your phone and go to apps or application management. Click on it, then click on see all apps. Now find out Instagram app. Click on Instagram. Now click on force stop. Click on OK. Now click on storage and cache. Clear the storage. Then delete. Now go to Play Store. Search Instagram. Now update to Instagram app if available any update version. Now open Instagram app. Then log into your account. Now play any reels. Now I hope that this method fix Instagram Reels not playing problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.